Sink into our seats right as they dimmed out all the lights. A technicolor world made out of music and machine. They called me to be on that screen and live inside each scene.
Without a nickel to my name, hopped a bus, here I came. I could be brave or just insane, we'll have to see.
'Cause maybe in that sleepy town I'll sit one day, the lights are down, you'll see my face and think how he used to know me.
Chasing all the lights that shine, lights that shine, they let you down. Get up off the ground. The morning rolls around and it's another day of sun. I hear them every day, the rhythms in the canyons that'll never fade away. The ballads in the barrooms left by those who came before. They say you gotta want it more, so I bang on every door.
And even when the answer's no, when my money is running low, dusty mic and neon glow are all I need.
And someday as I sing the song, a small town kid will come along. That'll be the thing to push him on and go. Behind these hills I'm reaching for lights and chasing all the lights that shine. Lights that shine, they let you down. Get up off the ground. The morning rolls around and it's another day of sun. That'll never fade away. The ballads in the barrooms left by those who came before. They say you gotta want it more, so I bang on every door.
And even when